The INTEG Operations and Maintenance System, or OMS, is a very cost-effective way for manufacturing facilities to gather information about their operations. It's a multi-tiered system that starts at the low level with the INTEG Junior. The Junior is connected to each work center or machine. That can be a variety of types of machines, and the user connects important information to the Junior, like if the piece is made or what the mode the production equipment is in, and this information is then brought back to a central PC using the data collector software. This software puts the information into a central database. From there, the user can just elect to query the database for their own reports, or they can use the add-on Integ's HMI or user interface, which is a web-based user interface and also has large visual display screens. Again, another way to present the information being gathered about the operation of the entire facility. This is the work center page of OMS. It shows all the work centers that are configured, and then the user is able to see if they're in a planned downtime or unexpected downtime, or maybe running good, which is the white, and it shows the different information. So if we click on the test work center, we can see that it just went into a red mode, which means it's getting ready for its production. And the OMS can have different levels of tracking the data. If you want, you can just track the raw data, or you can start tracking it by work center and by operator. So I can elect to have an operator log in, and I can keep track of what that operator has produced. And then I can also start a job where I can select work orders and determine how much production is made for each piece. And down here below is a graph that's showing all the production being made in an order of pieces per minute. From here I can also go and look at reports. We have various reports, and of course there's a way to configure the machine. We also have the capability to do more continuous types of machines. This is like a rolling mill or continuous machine that would be based on more analog type signals like speed or current, and we can also have a target and make sure we're hitting the target. And we've also developed the visual machine. The visual machine is for large displays that you would hang on the factory floor to give you a view of some critical information. There are two types of display. We can do a grid view, which will show us the information, and it's all configurable as to how we want to show this. And so, for example, I could look at the test view of one of my work centers, and from here I can see the available time and the running time, how many pieces I've made, and a percentage. This is all configurable by the user, and if you'll note, I'm showing the current hour, but I can get this to rotate and to show a rolling hour, so it's all configurable. If I look back here at one that shows a larger amount of information, you can see this is 9 different cells. Again, all the information that you want to include is all configurable. And also we have the ability to show it by tables. So tables, again, will give you a lot of information about the production, and it'll show you, and it's all color coded so you can see what's good and what's not bad. But I can also display a subset of that information, and then it's just more manageable as to what I want. If I had multiple work centers, they would be all listed down here, and it would be a grid. That is the INTEG Operations and Maintenance System. Thank you.